Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change the language on Apple iPhone in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to settings. After that, we need to go to general, and here we need to scroll down and click language and region. And here we must click add language. And you can use search bar and you can choose any language here. For example, English. We have 3 languages here. And if you want to prefer English language, you must click here and hold. And you can move prefer. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.